Hello, my name is Eduardo Sousa. I'm from Portugal, work in IPB, Institution of Research in Bragança. I'm an innovation broker of Portuguese RAIN, and my role is dynamize our local RAIN and adapt the objectives of this project and make the bridge with our stakeholders. Our RAIN is located in north of Portugal, in a mountainous region. Typical trees there is oak, Quercus pyrenaica, Quercus rotundifolia, and other species, conifers too. Animals that typical from there, it's ruminants, little ruminants like ovins, caprines, cows too. But on the field, most farmers have caprines and ovins. Well, the animals control the vegetation under the trees, and consequently a way to control the wildfires too. Our farmers have more conscious about these issues. The main concerns, it's about the profit and bureaucracies issues with which they need to understand and help to solve it. Less impact on the soil, on the soil structure, in the less compactation and control the vegetation brings a better way to maintain the water and the humidity in soil.